Welcome back to my channel. If you're a beginner at the gym, you might be making some common mistakes that are preventing you from getting the results you want. In this video, I'm going to go over 7 beginner gym mistakes that you need to avoid. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to work out safely and effectively. Mistake number 1, not warming up properly. One of the most common beginner gym mistakes is not warming up properly. Many people skip warm-ups altogether or do a few quick stretches before jumping into their workout. This can lead to injury and decreased performance. Before starting your workout, spend at least 5 to 10 minutes on a cardio machine or doing some dynamic stretching to get your blood flowing and muscles ready for exercise. This can help prevent injury and improve your performance during your workout. Mistake number 2, lifting too heavy too soon. It's natural to want to push yourself and lift heavier weights as soon as possible, but this can be dangerous for beginners. Starting with heavier weights before your body is ready can lead to injury, and it can also be discouraging if you can't lift the weight you thought you could. Start with lighter weights and focus on proper form before gradually increasing the weight. It's better to lift lighter weights with proper form than to lift heavy weights with poor form, which can lead to injury. As you progress, you'll be able to lift heavier weights safely and effectively. Mistake number 3, ignoring proper form. Proper form is crucial for preventing injury and getting the most out of your workout. Many beginners tend to sacrifice form for heavier weights or speed, which can lead to poor results and injury. Take the time to learn proper form for each exercise and focus on maintaining it throughout your workout. This can help you target the right muscles and avoid putting unnecessary stress on other parts of your body. If you're not sure how to perform an exercise with proper form, ask a trainer or watch instructional videos online. Don't be afraid to start with lighter weights to focus on your form before increasing the weight. Mistake number 4, neglecting cardio. Many beginners tend to focus solely on strength training and neglect cardio. While strength training is important for building muscle and strength, cardio is important for overall health and can help with weight loss and endurance. Incorporate at least 20 to 30 minutes of cardio into your workout routine, whether it's on a machine or through other forms of cardio like running or cycling. This can help improve your cardiovascular health, increase your endurance, and burn calories. If you're not sure what type of cardio to do, start with something you enjoy. This can help you stay motivated and make it easier to stick to your workout routine. Mistake number 5, not resting enough. Rest is just as important as exercise. Many beginners tend to think that more exercise equals better results, but this can lead to overtraining and injury. Make sure to take rest days and allow your body to recover between workouts. This can help prevent injury, reduce muscle soreness, and improve your overall performance during your workouts. If you're not sure how much rest you need, listen to your body. If you feel overly fatigued or sore, take a day or 2 off to rest and recover. It's better to take a break and come back stronger than to push yourself too hard and risk injury. Mistake number 6, doing the same thing over and over. While having structure in your workouts is essential, doing too much of the same thing can prove to be counterproductive. When you do the same routine over and over, your body gets used to the intensity of the movements. While you once experienced progress with these workouts before, you'll run into a fitness plateau. You will stop seeing progress, or you might even regress. Every few weeks, alter your routine to shock your body and introduce it to new obstacles to overcome. Not only will this push your body, but it will also prevent you from getting bored with working out. Mistake number 7, failing to eat a healthy diet. No workout plan can compensate for a bad diet. Heading to the gym and working out can only do so much. Give yourself the appropriate nutrients to keep your body healthy while limiting the amount of unhealthy foods you consume. Eating a nutritious diet will help you lose weight and stay in better shape. Certain foods help boost your body's metabolism, while others can improve blood flow. Far too many people think going to the gym will fix all of their problems, but to achieve your fitness goals, you must eat a healthy diet. Avoiding these common beginner gym mistakes can help you stay safe and get the most out of your workouts. Remember to warm up properly, lift lighter weights with proper form, incorporate cardio, take rest days, alter your routine every few weeks and eat a healthy diet. Thanks for watching. And be sure to subscribe for more fitness tips and tricks.